from Aunt Kim, Uncle Craig, and Bob. That's from Aunt Kim, Uncle Craig, and Brody.
You tell Aunt Kim and Craig and Brody thank
And that's
you.
from Aunt Kim too. That's from Aunt Kim too, and Uncle Craig Kim, or Kylie. What do you tell Aunt Kim?
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna open my other present. Probably a Barbie doll. And it is. Woo! Yay! Yes! Rip it open! Rip it open!
Ooh, Aladdin.
Yay, my sweet jelly!
Oh, you'll have to sleep in those tonight.
Oh.
That's from Aunt Kim too, Kylie. What do you tell her? I'm videoing this for her. What do you say?
Thank you.
You say thank you, Cole?
Thank
Okay.
You should have them.
Barbie,
I didn't mean for you to turn. I was going to hit you in the back of the head. Wow, look at that, Bubba. Here, I'll put it over here, buddy.
Hey, Carrie, why don't you pick those jujubes up before they end up getting tossed over?
Motorcycle.
I hope this is Jasmine. 'Cause I don't have it. Ariel! Yay!
Let's see.
Ariel. Look at she. Undies.
Dinosaur undies. He's like, yeah, whatever.
Ariel.
That's from Aunt Kim, Uncle Craig, and Brody. Brooke.
It is a Mario. What is it? It's a Mickey. Yay!
Carrie, can you find someplace else to sit? Sorry.
Is that a Cars 2?
No, it's called Race
This
of
is
Rama.
probably Jasmine.
Close enough.
Brooke, there's an envelope there with the instructions. There's lots of different ways to wear it.
No, open the envelope first.
Oh, you did?
And it is. Dun, dun, dun.
Wow. Pretty. Are there different ways to wear it?
Yeah, there's like, Kim has one. She really likes it. There's like 5 or 6 different ways to wear it. You can wear it as a belt.
Oh my gosh. That's really cool.
Justice Mega Crash. The Transformers. Dun, dun. No 5 Transformers. Daddy, look, Transformers.
Whoa.
I'm gonna open one. Yay! Barbie, go close.
Kylie, you're ripping through these like nobody's business.
Cars 2 game!
Oh, that's a movie. The Cars 2 movie.
Yay, Cars 2 movie. 2 more to open.
Kylie, you just go through yours like that.
Another lightsaber! Another. Oh!
Oh, wow.
No. Need to get her a bigger container at the house.
Oh, holy cow.
Y'all have to go through all your old toys at home.
You'll have to get rid of some of your old yucky Barbie dolls.
Didn't we do that last year? Then we boxed up some of your old ones and take them to the Goodwill for other kids?
No, we were going to, but we forgot.
Thought we did that.
Dress up clothes!
Oh, dress up clothes. Wow.
A new shirt!
Oh,
Ooh. Oh, this is for riding your bicycle. Like when all the BMX guys.
Yay!
Look at that.
All right.
That's for
You got a racer.
bicycles. A racer.
Grandma, I have the same Build-A-Bear clothes.
You do?
Yeah, I have this and this. But
You need to get you a good helmet now.
Look it!
Oh, wow.
Can I open up my big one? Look it! Look it! Look it! Can I open up my big one now?
It's a
Yeah.
Star Wars Transformer.
Bring it over here.
Everybody, you have to watch me.
Wait a minute, let me get back so I can. Sorry if everybody's getting dizzy watching this.
I get it all. See what Kylie has in that big one.
Yeah. Did you open all yours, Bella? Yeah. All right.
I like what happened.
What is that? Is that a big house?
No!
Wow. Look at all that Barbie furniture.
Oh my God. You got furniture for your house.
Look at that flat screen.
Yeah, like
She's got a flat screen.
Wow!
Do you like all your stuff, Bubba? Here, you got something on your cheek.
What'd you think, Kylie? Was it what you thought it was going to be?
What do you think it was gonna be? Think it was
Daddy,
gonna
can you open this?
Yeah, let me see it, bud.
She's got a refrigerator and a bathtub and a big screen TV.
Awesome, now I have a bed.
And a bed.